Hello everyone, welcome to Traffic Pro. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Traffic Pro. I'll show you how each feature works, the benefits of Traffic Pro, and the advantages of premium subscription.
When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to enter your license key. Simply enter the license key you received after purchasing the software from me. Next, enter your name, and then you can upload your profile picture if you'd like. After that, click on Verify License Key. If your license key is valid, you'll see a confirmation message saying, "License key verified successfully." The software will then open automatically. Once the software opens, you'll see the main interface. At the top, you'll find the dashboard, campaigns, and analytics sections. Below that, you'll see all the remaining features of Traffic Pro. In this tutorial, we'll go through every feature step by step, and I'll explain exactly how to use each one. Let's start with the dashboard. The dashboard provides quick access to all the available traffic types. It's designed for users who want to launch traffic quickly without going through the complete campaign setup. For example, if you click on Search Traffic, you can simply enter your keyword, choose your preferred search engine, and click Start to launch the campaign. However, keep in mind that the dashboard offers only the basic options. It's meant for quick access and does not include all the advanced settings available in the main campaign builder. Now that we've covered the dashboard, let's move on to the main software. After opening the campaign section, the first option you'll see is Add New Campaign. Click on it to create a new campaign. First, enter a campaign name. For example, if you're creating a campaign for an online shop, you can name it Shop. Next, choose the appropriate website category. If your website is business related, simply select the business category. After that, paste your website URL into the URL field. Next, enter the total visits you want to send. For example, if you want to send 10,000 visitors, simply enter 10,000. You'll also see the Threads option. This determines how many browser instances will run simultaneously. Next, choose your traffic type. Traffic Pro supports multiple traffic sources, including search traffic, direct traffic, social traffic, Google Maps traffic, warm-up traffic, bounce rate traffic, blog post traffic, YouTube views, TikTok views, Facebook views. Next, you'll see the device type option. You can choose desktop only, mobile only, real device, or mixed devices. Below that, you'll find the schedule settings. If you want the campaign to start automatically, you can schedule it to run after a specific time. For example, after 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, weekly, or monthly. You can also specify the schedule value and the exact schedule time. Once everything is configured, click Save and Start. This will automatically launch the browser and start your campaign. If you click Save Campaign instead, the campaign will be saved without starting immediately. In the Campaigns list, you'll also have options to start, edit, duplicate, or delete any campaign whenever you need. Now let's move to the Analytics section. Analytics provides a complete overview of all the traffic generated by your campaigns. It displays detailed information such as total traffic received, traffic source breakdown, campaign performance, and many other useful statistics. In short, the analytics section gives you a complete A to Z report of your traffic performance. You can also export or download your reports whenever you need them. That covers the analytics section. Now let's move on to the traffic types, where I'll explain each traffic type individually in detail. Traffic types. Now that we've covered the dashboard, campaigns, and analytics, let's move on to the traffic types section. Traffic Pro includes several traffic types: search traffic, direct traffic, social traffic, Google Maps traffic, warm-up traffic, bounce rate traffic, blog post traffic. Let's go through each one individually. Search traffic. When you open search traffic, you'll first see the basic configuration section. Start by entering your target website URL. Next, enter a keyword that is already indexed on Google or another search engine. Here's how search traffic works. The software stores your website URL and searches for the keyword you entered across different search engines. Once it finds your website in the search results, it clicks on your website just like a real user would, where you specify how many visitors you want to generate. Next is Threads. You'll also see the Use Proxy option. When enabled, the software automatically uses the proxies you've already added inside the proxy manager. On the right side, you'll find the Search Engine Selection section. If you enable Use Multiple Search Engines, the software will automatically rotate between all selected search engines. You can also click Add to include your own custom search engines. If you already have a list, click Import to import search engines using CSV, TXT, or JSON files. At the bottom, you'll find the scrolling and internal page settings. Here you can configure scroll down, scroll up, random scrolling, internal page visits, waiting time. These settings help simulate natural user behavior and make the traffic look more realistic. Is direct traffic. Here, simply enter your website URL, choose the number of sessions, and set the number of threads. You can also choose whether you want desktop traffic, mobile traffic, headless mode, normal browser mode. Additional options include viewport size, auto resolution, auto rotate resolution, use proxy. At the bottom, you'll find the same scrolling and internal page settings, allowing visitors to behave naturally while browsing your website. Social traffic. Now let's move to social traffic. Start by entering your website URL and the number of visitors you want. Next, choose the social platform that will send traffic to your website. Traffic Pro supports multiple social platforms, and you can even add your own custom social websites by clicking Add Website. You can also import social platforms using the Import option. Below that, you'll see the Active Thread Monitor, which lets you monitor all currently running browser sessions. You'll also find the Social Landing Behavior set. Here you can configure time spent on the landing page, scrolling behavior, redirect probability, random social interactions. These options make social traffic behave much more naturally. You'll also have access to the standard scrolling and internal page settings. Inside the advanced configuration, you'll find headless mode, device type, auto rotate resolution. These options allow you to customize social traffic even further. Google Maps traffic. Enter your website URL, your Google business name, your Google Maps keyword. Then configure number of sessions, threads. If you enable Use Proxy, the software will automatically use proxies from your proxy manager. You'll also have the standard scrolling and internal page settings. Inside Advanced Configuration, you can customize visit time, headless mode, desktop or mobile traffic, auto resolution, auto rotate resolution, warm-up traffic. Now let's talk about one of the most important features in Traffic Pro. First, enter your website URL. Then choose Target Visitors, number of browser sessions, proxy usage, optional. Next, choose the warm-up duration, such as 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, manual. You can also choose the randomization level, including low, medium, high, very high. Select the device type you want to use. You can also add one or multiple video URLs along with categories. How warm-up traffic works. Warm-up traffic is designed to build realistic browser behavior before visiting your target website. For example, if you're using a completely fresh browser profile with a fresh proxy, Google may recognize that the browser immediately visits a specific website. This can increase the chances of traffic being detected as artificial, resulting in invalid traffic, lower engagement, reduced ad revenue, and poor overall performance. Warm-up traffic solves this problem. Instead of opening your website immediately, the software first spends several minutes behaving like a real person. During the warm-up period, it randomly visits different websites, watches videos, scrolls pages, and performs natural browsing activities. Once the warm-up period is complete, the software finally visits your website. This creates a much more realistic browsing history, making the visitor appear like a genuine human user rather than an automated browser. Warm-up traffic is especially useful for improving the quality of campaigns related to website engagement, AdX loading, monotag loading, and other traffic-based monetization methods. Bounce rate traffic. Finally, let's look at bounce rate traffic. This feature allows you to control your website's bounce rate according to your requirements. You can choose between low bounce rate, medium bounce rate, high bounce rate. Enter your website URL. Then configure target bounce rate percentage, time on page, click probability, number of sessions, desktop or mobile traffic, proxy usage. You'll also be able to choose which traffic source you want to combine with bounce rate optimization, including search traffic, direct traffic, social traffic, Google Maps traffic, warm-up traffic. After selecting your preferred traffic source, simply configure your settings and start the campaign. Platforms. Now that we've covered all the traffic types and how they work, let's move on to the platforms section. Currently, Traffic Pro supports the following platforms: YouTube views, TikTok views, Facebook views. This section will continue to grow with future updates. We are constantly improving the software by adding new platforms, advanced features, and more automation tools. YouTube views. Let's begin with YouTube views. The first option is direct YouTube views. Simply paste your YouTube video URL into the target URL field. Next, you'll see the option, do you want to skip ads? If you select yes, the software will automatically skip YouTube ads whenever they appear. If you select no, the ads will be watched instead of being skipped. Below that is the watch configuration section. Here you can configure number of views, number of threads, watch time in seconds, watch percentage. You can also enable proxy support, headless mode, stop on first error. Once everything is configured, simply click Start and your YouTube views campaign will begin. YouTube search mode. The next option is YouTube search. Instead of using a direct video URL, simply enter your video title. The software will search YouTube for your video title, locate your video, and watch it just like a real user. You can also choose whether ads should be skipped or not. The remaining settings, such as views, threads, watch time, proxies, and advanced options, work exactly the same as direct YouTube views. CPM mode. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features inside Traffic Pro, CPM mode. This is one of the most advanced features I've personally built into the software. First, enter your YouTube video URL or video title. Next, configure number of views, watch time. Then choose your content category. Traffic Pro supports high-value CPM categories such as finance, insurance, investing, business, real estate, technology, software, cryptocurrency, online marketing, legal services, healthcare. You can also configure ad click behavior. For example, you can choose how many advertisements the software is allowed to click during a viewing session. This behavior is fully customizable according to your preferences. Cookie building. One of the most important options in CPM mode is Enable Cookie Building. If cookie building is disabled, these advanced options remain hidden. Once enabled, you'll gain access to several additional settings. The software can first spend time building realistic browser cookies before interacting with your video. You'll also find the option Open Ads in a new tab. If enabled, advertisements will automatically open in a new browser tab. You can also configure maximum ad clicks, time spent on advertisement pages, custom navigation direction, click percentage. By default, you can simply leave the click percentage around 80%, although it's fully customizable. Another powerful option is watch more videos from this channel. If enabled, the software can continue watching additional videos from the same YouTube channel after finishing the target video. You can also decide whether ads should be skipped or watched. Finally, configure your number of views, threads, watch time, then start the campaign. Because cookie building is enabled, the software asks for these additional settings to create much more realistic browsing behavior. If cookie building is disabled, many of these advanced options disappear. This is one of the most advanced features inside Traffic Pro and has been designed to simulate real human browsing behavior with a very high level of accuracy. TikTok views. Next, let's move to TikTok views. Simply paste your TikTok video URL, then configure number of views, threads, custom watch time, full watch, watch percentage. You can also configure scroll direction, device type. For TikTok, mobile mode is recommended, although desktop mode is also available. Once everything is configured, click Start, and your TikTok views campaign will begin. Facebook views. Finally, let's look at Facebook views. This feature works with Facebook videos, Facebook Reels, Facebook Stories. Simply paste your Facebook content URL. Then configure number of views, number of threads, watch time, device type, watch percentage. Once everything is configured, click Start Views. The software will begin generating Facebook views according to your selected settings. This feature can help improve content engagement, increase watch time, support content growth, and assist with managing Facebook view campaigns.